Hey folks, this is RDP with the Living Frugal Lodge channel. I'm about to replace my car battery on my 2009 Saab 95, so I just want to give you a quick update, a quick video on how to do that. So, so first I just got the battery and install it. So the red part right here, this is the positive with the positive sign, and the black one is the negative with the negative sign. So they have to see this is the red cable. That means red goes to red and black goes to black. Now after attaching those cables, you have to make sure that you screw those balls tightly so the battery pole doesn't come loose. Using a 10mm socket with a 1/4 ratchet. There you go. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the black one. So after you tighten the cable, make sure they're not loose. You also have to make sure that the battery is secure so it doesn't move. And in order for you to do that, this bolt right here, that's what keeps the battery from moving when the car is in motion. So always make sure that the battery is covered to protect it from corrosion and anything, any debris. There it is folks, now you have it. This is RDP with the Living Frugal Lodge channel. We just demonstrate how to replace a car battery on a 2009 Saab 95, and I hope that you guys will like this video, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more awesome video, and I'll see you soon folks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.